computer share screen. Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna put just a little bit refreshing our lecture last week. Okay. So basically, in what we did in multi-stage equilibrium is okay. So if we have a feed, I think I should put into share screen, share to the slide. Did you see my screen? Do you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Or is it still in presenter mode?
Yeah, still in
Yeah, it's still in presenter mode, ma'am.
Oh, okay. What should I do? Swap display. Try. How about this one? Still one, yeah. Okay. Use slideshow.
Oh, no, ma'am. It's already full screen. Yeah.
Full screen now? Okay, then good. Okay. Okay, so yeah, just to remember last week, let's say if we have 10 kilomole of vapor and we want to have almost, for example, 0.95 purity, what we can do is to make it into two phases with the ratio of a ratio of liquid 1 and vapor 1. Yeah, because in here this is the vapor 1. Okay, this is the vapor and this is this is the liquid and this is the vapor. Yeah, so we can make this into let's say for example the feed is liquid. We can heat it up to 2 phase with the ratio of liquid to vapor is 1:1, and then we can get for this one we can get 100 kilomole of vapor from 200 kilomole of vapor, and then we can do that again, cool down the vapor a little bit. Of course, to cool down, we need the heat must be take away, yeah, from the vapor. So we cooled it down a little bit up to here, and what we can do is just to wait, and then it's gonna separate it into phases again. Now, how to instead of we put maybe fan or a heat exchanger to cool it down, what we do is actually to use the reflux, or we use a liquid somewhere from here, and then we cool it down. We cool it down using the liquid. So the enthalpy between the vapor and liquid is mixed together. So the heat in the vapor is cooled down by the enthalpy in the liquid. Yeah, with this case, then it's gonna be go this way, and this part is called enriching section. Yeah, so the multi-stage equilibrium is the function of stages would be a contact between the two vapor stream from the bottom and also to the liquid from the top, and also the contact will cause diffusion process between the vapor and the liquid. Yeah, so for example, okay, this is a liquid, and then so you can see the liquid just coming from this tower, and then the vapor come from the bottom to the up, and then there would be a contact. So we're gonna use the nature in here, yeah. So usually the liquid just fall downwards because of the gravity, and the vapor will go up because of the tendency vapor to go into the higher area, right? And because of that, that would be a contact, and then the contact we call diffusion, and after diffusion there would be some unequilibrium and it goes toward equilibrium. And then after that, the stream that leaving the equilibrium would be this one, the vapor, and also the liquid. Okay, and this is called enriching section. So the feed is heated up. It's actually will be heated up. The feed is actually cooled down. The cooled down by reflux there up to here, but so we can get a quite high purity in here, and adding more uh, adding more liquid into that. Okay, right. This is just to remember last week. Okay, now the down part, it is called stripping section atau pelucutan, ya. So in stripping section, what we do is to the same actually. Yeah. Can you hear me, or it's not clear?
We can hear you, but I just want to inform you about there is one of my friend that has not been accepted into this meeting.
Okay.
In the waiting room. Thank you, ma'am.
And I'm sorry, ma'am, but the presentation absence is
It hasn't been activated.
not open yet.
Okay. Okay. I think I need to change my internet. Yeah, with Zoom sometimes it's not. Yeah.
Ma'am. And
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna change my my internet using tethering now because I can't hear you. Okay, just wait. Okay, I have activated the presents, yeah, the absent. Then I'm gonna move on to the segment 7 about again multistage equilibrium about stripping.